Hey guys, what's going on? It's Sam from MobileTechVideos.com. We got our brand new Nexus 4 here, so I figured I would show you guys how to unlock the bootloaders, root it, and install a custom recovery. So in order to do all those things, we are going to use this Nexus 4 Toolkit. It is actually called the Nexus Root Toolkit, and it is by a gentleman named WugFresh. I will put a link down below to where you can download this toolkit. And this is an all-in-one toolkit that you can use to unlock the bootloaders, root it, and install custom recovery. You can even go back to stock, which I've done a couple times. So when you download this and you install it, the first thing you have to do is choose your version of device, because this does work for a lot of different Nexus devices. And in fact, if we go in here, we can go ahead and go through that process again. You see it has a ton of Nexus devices, including the Nexus S, 7, Nexus 7, the original Galaxy Nexus and things. So, but we want the Nexus 4. And then it's going to ask you to enter in the build number that you have, or that you're currently running. If you're not sure, you can put in any build. I am currently on the latest, which is the Android 4.2.1 JOP 4D. So that's the one we want. Down here it says that all my files are up to date. So here in a second it will pop up. There it is. Get in close so we can see. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is to install the drivers for the Nexus 4 if you haven't done that already. It has a full driver installation guide here, and you want to go ahead and do that. The next step is to unlock your device. Now mine is already unlocked. In fact, I'll go ahead and turn it on, and you can see the little lock showing that it is already unlocked. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that USB debugging was enabled, and it is, so we can get started. So like I said, the first thing you're going to want to do is to unlock your device. And it's very simple. Most of these options are one-click methods. Just click on the unlock button there. It will run a script on your device. You will see a message pop up that asks you if you want to unlock it. I think it says do your volume rocker up to choose yes. You choose yes, it reboots, and you're unlocked. It's really that simple, guys. Then you want to make sure USB debugging is still checked, and the next step we're going to do is to root. Now you can also choose to flash a custom recovery, and I do want to do that. So we can click root, and we get this message pop up giving us some information about rooting and what we need to do. So you definitely want to read through all this information. It talks about how a specialized boot image will be sent to your phone to allow rooting privileges. Press OK if you're ready to continue, and we are. So now you see you get some information popping up here saying it's rebooting our device into bootloader mode. And you see that is happening on the phone there. Check fast boot settings. Device connected. It's booting the modified boot image. And this is pretty much the whole process, guys. You click the button and then you just sit back and let the toolkit do the job. So now we got this message pop up saying that it's been rooted, and to finish the process you need to go into the SuperSU app, and if it asks you to to update the binaries, you need to do that. I've gone into mine, and mine does not ask me to do that. Then it also says to go into the BusyBox installer and to grant super user permissions. So we'll do that. There it is, BusyBox. Give it a second, and there it is. It's asking us for permission. So that means it is definitely rooted. And need to install. Now we'll go in here and check to make sure that we have our custom recovery added. So in order to get into the bootloader mode, you need to hold the volume down and press the power button while the device is turned off. And there we go. Then you press down twice till it says recovery mode, and then you click OK, or the power button, and it should boot into TWRP. And there we go. We are in TWRP recovery. And that is it, guys. It is literally that simple. Big thanks to WugFresh for hooking us up with this toolkit. Did an amazing job. Don't forget that this can be used for many other devices, not just the Nexus 4. And if you want to, like I said, return to stock, it's right over here, and it's the exact same process pretty much. You can choose whether the device is in a boot loop, or it has been soft bricked, or if its device is working perfectly fine. And then just click the button and go through the steps like we just did. Now, a word about this. If you have rooted, unlocked, you've returned to stock, something happens later on and you come back and you need to return to stock, and you get an error and it's saying that it can't find the files, the image files or something like that. I've had that happen to me, and what I did was I completely uninstalled the program. I went into program files and I deleted the WugFresh development file completely off my system, and then I re-downloaded the toolkit and installed it. Went through the process again of returning to stock, and it worked great. Worked just like it's supposed to. So there you go, guys. Once again, down in the description I will put the link to find this toolkit. But thanks a lot, guys. As always, this is Sam with MobileTechVideos.com. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Twitter, and we'll see you next time.